Hello, I'm Eric from TGL. Today I would like to introduce the information related to US duty drawbacks for importers. When you import goods into the United States and subsequently find that they cannot be used or sold within the country for any reason, you may need to re-export, return, or destroy these items. In such cases, the duty taxpayer can apply for a partial refund of the duties and related fees initially paid during the import declaration. The U.S. Duty Drawback Program, established by the Continental Congress in 1789, has evolved over its 235-year history, incorporating various amendments and expanding its coverage to include more goods, thereby enabling more companies to benefit from duty refunds. There are several scenarios under which companies can apply for duty drawbacks, each with specific conditions and documentation requirements. 1. Unused merchandise drawback. This type of tax refund applies to goods that are re-exported or destroyed after importation without use in the United States. The main conditions include: A. The goods must not have been used in the US except for testing or inspection. B. Export or destruction must be completed within 3 years from the import date. C. Proof of export or destruction must be retained. 2. Rejected merchandise drawback. Refunds for rejected goods apply to imported goods that are defective, do not meet specifications, or are transported without the consent of the consignee, under conditions including: A. The goods must be exported or destroyed within 5 years from the import date. B. Documentation of export or destruction and evidence of defects or non-conformity must be provided. 3. Manufacturing drawback. The manufacturing tax rebate applies to products manufactured in the United States using imported raw materials or semi-finished products that are subsequently exported. Conditions include: A. Finished products made from imported materials must be exported within 5 years of the material's importation. B. Detailed records of the manufacturing process and the use of imported goods must be maintained. 4. Substitution drawback. Substitution tax refund allows the substitution of imported goods with domestic or other imported goods of the same kind and homogeneity, and the conditions include: A. Substituted goods must be of the same kind and quality as the imported goods and must be exported or destroyed within 5 years from the import date. B. Documentation proving the substitution must be provided.